Mampani adodankwa Akufo-Addo to Ghana fo nyina anim say COVID-19 ehun nsem kan ye ba ye ni musikare nyese bia wode kata she ne mumuaso bia nie demum se de ba ye beto ye nyina mpofiri mu ni ade ne nti eda ye kabedi akire emu nkyire mu Mampani adodankwa Akufo-Addo nra se de wona ne manfo hia ye di nkomo ena ode nsemi etudwa
Ifri bra COVID-19 yade no eba o my Ghana mu ebra ne bra no Ghana Mampani na Adodankwa Akufo-Addo ene ne manfo ekasa ekire bebe yade ne mpomponso akwakoduru enura kwasi kotoni ma boso de toso aduonu nwotwe Ghana Mampani na Adodankwa Akufo-Addo esane o manfo ekasa abi mu a odi tu dwa se COVID-19 yade ne sese efro mai mu kra nanso COVID fund na aban eje no enyade wo bejai eje osan ka de to aso se ebi no mo keka se COVID-19 sika odi bo mai hu bra no keta hye kankan ne prohibia koso ewo ho eno so enya no kreda enchirimu a wode tujwa eni.
Let me make it clear that COVID expenditures, essentially unplanned, have been subject at my instigation to audit by the Auditor General and are going through parliamentary processes. We all deserve to be reassured that the crisis was not used as a cover for corrupt practices. The COVID health recovery levy that was introduced to help fill some of the expenditure holes might not be the most popular tax, but I entreat all of you to bear with us. The COVID Trust Fund has performed an invaluable service, and with these developments has reached the end of its mandate. I thank the trustees as well as all donors and contributors to the fund.